DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont, we specialize in the best automotive protection for your vehicle. Enjoy watching our amazing results and happy customers while we go over our 2 different protection options. First, paint protection film, also known as PPF. They offer the absolute best protection and last for 10 years. Paint protection film are designed to protect the high-impact areas that will definitely get ruined if unprotected, such as the hood, side fenders, and front bumper. Think about this. Every time you drive, your vehicle's paint is getting attacked by everything on the roads and highway. Tiny rocks, trash, and debris. Without protection, over time your vehicle will start to look neglected with those unsightly chips in the paint. Don't let this happen to you. Contact us today to learn more. Next, notice that amazing jaw-dropping shine on these vehicles? That's due to our ceramic coatings. Waxing is old school. Ceramic coating technology is the latest and greatest due to the extreme shine and long-lasting durability. No one waxes their vehicles anymore, they protect them with our ceramic coatings. There are 4 main benefits. As you see, they produce an incredible shine, outstanding protection from the sun fading the paint, and makes maintenance super easy. They save you so much money because they offer long-lasting protection, offering 1, 2, 5, 10-year, or even lifetime protection. You can select between these 2 products or both. Ready for us to protect your vehicle and make it look stunning? Simply contact us or come in for a free vehicle consultation today.